Hello, eighth graders. How are you doing? Are you sick of me yet? Of course not, right? Let's talk about your IXL assignment for today. I bet you're tired of hearing that. But I got a fun one for you today, and it's super easy again. See, you guys only have a couple weeks of school left. I'm giving you easy assignments, but these are important because you will study these in high school. All right, so today is outliers in scatter plots. So easy. Eighth grade. There you go. Outliers in scatter plots. Let's talk about it. The two scatter plots below show the same data set. Choose the scatter plot in which the outlier is highlighted. So an outlier. What is an outlier? It is a point in the data that is not consistent with the rest of the points. So if we look at this first one, right? This point up here would be an outlier, but they're asking the highlighted one. So choose the scatter plot in which the outlier is highlighted. So they're highlighting this little dot, which is consistent with the rest of the data. So that's not going to be it. This one, that's the dot, right? It's outside of the rest of the data. So that's going to be the one. Let's look at another one. Okay, this one's pretty easy. See, in this first one, you see all the data flowing in the same direction, except this little guy out here, but he's not highlighted. In the second one, he is highlighted. That is going to be the point that is not consistent. Just think of it as like a school of fish swimming together. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a phone call. Mrs. Morton, you're going to have to wait a second. So think of it like as a school of fish swimming together, and one little fish gets out of the group. He's the outlier, right? Or think of it like Mr. Strands, right? I'm the outlier of my family because my IQ score is so much higher than the rest of my family, right? Just think of it like that. Okay, let's go to a harder one. These are incredibly easy. Let's see if there's harder ones. Ooh, now they give us 3. So the 3 scatter plots below show the same data set. Choose the scatter plot in which the outlier is highlighted. Okay, so once again, this data kind of all flows together. The highlighted one's in the middle, so that's not going to be it. This data flows all together. The highlighted one's in the middle, so that's not going to be it. This data flows all together, but the highlighted one is the outlier down there. Okay. Again, you should be able to finish this IXL in about 5 minutes. The 4 scatter plots show the same data. Choose the scatter plot in which the outlier is highlighted. Again, it's going to be this first one because look at this data set. It's all kind of together. The outlier is way out here, so that's going to be it. This data set, the outlier is over here, but it's not highlighted. So this data is all together. This data is all together, and this data is all together. So it's going to be that one. That is all I got for you today. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes to do that. If you have questions at all, as always, feel free to contact me. Mrs. Morton and I look forward to talking to all of you guys tomorrow, Wednesday, and Friday for Zoom. Take care. Let me know if you need any help.